Do you agree with me when I say the most important challenge before a woman is not balancing the work and personal life, it is balancing herself. Yes, when I say balancing herself, being a working woman myself, I know being active all the day requires a lot of energy, and to get lot of energy people do consume lot of food, but that is not the actual story which should go along. Coming to my case, I'm a working woman and I keep on being active all the day. And in order to keep myself active, my intake of food is not completely enough for me. So what I do, that's a question most of the people pose me. How do you keep yourself active all the day, healthy, and how do you maintain yourself? Yeah, I do. Because I do work out daily and I take a good diet. But I do agree, it's not enough with what the food we eat to get all the requirements of our body. I got a solution when I first heard that there is this brand Just Hair is making a product just for you, the women. So Just Hair produced a protein with herbs, just the way I like it. Yes, it contains herbs. It's not just the protein which you get in the market, not just the protein to build your lean muscle. It comes in this kind of container which is of 500 grams. It has 7 functional Ayurvedic blends and crafted for just women. 7 clean nutritional promises, and you can see entire information here itself. So it gives us energy because it contains ginseng, high quality protein with the vitamin B complex. It improves our immunity because it contains curcumin, amla and tulsi. It improves our bone strength because it contains vitamin D3 and calcium. It's good for our hair and skin because it contains Sesbania with vitamin A, B, C, D, iron and zinc. It improves our hormonal balance because it has Satwari, flaxseed, chastoberry, and it improves our metabolism and digestion because it contains Capsimax, Garcinia, green tea, papain, bromelain, fennel and cumin. It released from stress because it contains ashwagandha, as I told you, and chamomile and valerian root. So with the goodness of these herbs, it is giving us the entire nutritional supplement which we require to stay healthy. Let me open and show you how it looks. It comes with this lid and then a spill proof film here, and we got a spoon here, a scoop to take. So this is how it looks. All you have to do is just take a scoop, yes, a full scoop like this, and you can add it to 200 ml of water or milk. I'm taking in a milk which is cold, not very cold though, as I like it. And you just mix it. If you have a shaker, you can shake it and mix it, and you can consume it after your workout daily. That will help you to get all the nutrients which you require to have. And if you're diet freak and you want to maintain, you can use this as a replacement of one of your diet. It provides 20 grams of high quality whey protein which helps you fuller for a long period of time. Yes, this ultimately keeps you away from the unwanted intake of food every now and then. Isn't it great? Not just that, it has no artificial sugar or artificial added sweeteners. That means it is giving you the nutrients in clean sheet. Clean nutrition is equal to good health. And in order to support you with your weight management and fitness goals, it contains green tea and herbs like cumin, fennel and garcinia. You know garcinia, right? Which altogether helps in improving your metabolism. Yeah, high metabolism rate is equal to more activeness. And if you are working out regularly like I do, you can take this health mix, a protein shake. You can shake it in a shaker. I'm taking in my favorite mason jar. However, you can take it post your workout. It helps you to gain your energy. Yeah. It helps in repairing your muscles and building lean body muscle. That is what after all we require to have. It is in chocolate flavor, and of course we all do love chocolates, right? So those who love chocolates definitely loves it too. And it doesn't have that very sweetening or no sweet kind of thing, as the right quantity in right nutritional amount. 20 grams of whey protein you're getting, and which helps in building your lean body muscle. Isn't it great? So I do recommend you to have it, and do check the link given in the description box down below. By the way, I forgot to introduce myself. Well, I'm Sahi. You're watching me on my YouTube channel Sahi Jeet. So for women out there, from this woman, keep yourself healthy and improve your immunity. Cheers to you.